Okay, this video will show you how to fix a sound issue for S160 series. First, it's very easy. Just go to factory settings, but how to do it? First, you have to click to the Bluetooth. You can see the dial pad right here. Just click hash hash 0323 and then click dial. It's like a shortcut, so you can go to the factory mode right here. You can set anything you like right here. But for setting up the sound to fix it is the amp option, amp in amplifier, which is your speaker inside a car. If it's built in already, just click anything else right there, and after you give it a go in a try and error stage, you will fix it. Yeah, done.